In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign PDF electronically. If you've ever needed to sign a form, contract, or permission slip without printing anything, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it using the eSign PDF tool on Small PDF. First, open your web browser and navigate to the eSign PDF tool on Small PDF. You'll see a clean workspace designed specifically for adding electronic signatures. Before you begin, make sure you have the correct PDF file handy and that it's the final version you're ready to sign. A stable internet connection helps the upload and processing go smoothly. Next, upload your PDF. You can click to browse and select your file, or simply drag and drop it onto the page. Once the file loads, you'll see a preview of your document. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the area where your signature needs to go. Verifying this now saves time later. When you're ready to add your signature, click Create Signature. You'll have three options: type, draw, or upload. If you choose type, enter your name and select a style that closely resembles a handwritten signature. This is fast and looks clean. If you choose draw, use your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus to sign your name. Take your time and redraw if needed until it looks natural. If you already have a picture of your signature, choose upload. A clear PNG with a transparent background often gives the best result. Make sure the signature is legible and matches the one you use officially. After creating your signature, place it on the document. Click where the signature line appears, then drag to position it precisely. You can resize by dragging the corners and rotate if necessary so it aligns neatly with any designated line or box. Zoom in for fine placement so the edges are crisp and nothing spills outside the intended area. If your document has multiple signature spots, place the same saved signature wherever it's required. Once everything looks correct, click Finish and Sign. The tool will process your changes and finalize the file with your embedded signature. At this point, your document is signed and ready to share or store. As a best practice, double-check the final preview for alignment and completeness before you close the page. That's all it takes to sign a PDF electronically with Small PDF. Open the eSign tool, upload your file, create your signature, place it exactly where it needs to go, and finish to secure it. Simple, fast, and paperless.